In this video, we are going to see how to create a server macro. Before that, we can understand what is server macro and what is the usage of server macro. Server macro is the library that allows the administrator to create and maintain the central repository of macro for the users to access from their host and daemon. The usage of the server macro is it will not be downloaded to the user machine until they are needed, and the changes made it in the server the user will get by update automatically while accessing the macro. Okay, we will see how to create a server macro. The prerequisites to create a server macro is we need to have a hard install and we need to have a few macros. So here I am creating a few demo macros. We need to be create under the local macro. I am creating a demo macro. Once the stop was clicked, it will be automatically saved under our user directory. So you can see here, the macro was saved here. So the first step, we need to be copy this and we need to be paste under the folder where your web server can access. So this is the path where my web server can access it. So the second step, you need to be list under the macros in any of the text file. So I have already listed few macros here, and server macro demo is already listed here. So I'm just saving it. And the third step is like we need to be configure the session with the server macro. So under configure, we will have a server macro library. That we need to be enable the web server macro library. And this is the URL path where my web server can access. And we need to provide the txt file name so that the macro can list it. So I'm saving this file. Okay, now we'll see how this got reflected in our happy page. So this is a server IP followed by server code followed by the context root followed by the HTML page which we created under the home directory. So this is the session which we created there, and here macro, play macro, server macro, and these are the macro which we listed under the server macro.txt, and here is our macro server macro demo. We will play this, and this is the content which we have recorded.